Morning.
Hey, Zach. How are you? Hey, Zach. Zach. Oh.
Oh. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go. Bailey. Morning, sir. Oh man, Bailey this morning. I mean, not Bailey, but Buddy.
Yeah. How you feeling, buddy?
Big guy. Milo.
Buddy.
I'm so pumped this morning. I told you every day last week I didn't pick him up. He was barking his head off because he heard my truck. His mom, she's like, yeah, he missed you a lot. Driving me crazy. Shooting all over the house.
Oh, no.
So I did getting better, Milo. S'mores, the dog shit eater. Yoink!
Hey, Bailey. How you doing? Hey, buddy. Hey. Remy.
Ram.
S'mores.
When did you find out?
This morning.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, babe. Fucking right, doggy.
Zach, what are you doing? You silly guy.
Yoink. So I watched a video last night. It was an airline company. It was a video of a jet. And letting this guy pee. I can't really move because he's anchored.
Wow, that's quite a puddle there. It's nuclear.
Ben. My first take is he's not getting the probiotics and enzymes he needs, because that's how the puff's pee smelled.
Oh, yeah.
Remember? So they're not getting that proper nutrient. That's why I told you that you gotta add that stuff to your dog food, because it's not in dog food. And that's what they need. Well, the dog be happy and healthy and less vet visits. Eat them right. It's so simple. You want to pay thousands of dollars with a vet, or you just want to pay more money for food and not go to the vet at all? It's very simple.
Well,
So simple. And for her to get mad at Alma, like, that just tells me more, you know?
yeah. Gotta find a good vet. That one seemed very highly recommended, though. Everyone seemed to really love how they treated their dogs.
Let's go. Go.
Yeah?
In the house. He starts whining and pawing at the door. Come on. Uncle Drew's here.
That's cute. I'm glad he has a good time. Oh no. These two little puffs look so cute together.
I know, they look like little twins.
They do. You two look like little cute twins. Hey, Puffwood.
Let's go. Whoa, whoa.
Nice crew.
Oh, Finn.
Finn.
It's okay. Come on. He's like, that dog looks just like me, but a different color. Come on, buddy. Hey, you. Oh, are these ours?
No. You can pick it up though.
guess I can. Oh, that's a bit cold. Fairly fresh though.
It's not from us.
No.
That was after my first lap.
And it was after I showed up too. I didn't see that on my way. Stranger turd.
Stranger turds, stranger turds. Why won't you fucking people pick up your shirts? So it's like a lot of people know I come up here, and you know, it makes me look bad because I'm the one with all the dogs. And I'm like, oh, I just blame it on the dog walking guy that has, 15, 20 dogs, because it makes him look like he's not picking up his turds.
I mean, I see what you're saying,
How
but
can he pick up all those turds?
you have so much footage
I know,
of you picking up
but
turds.
some people haven't seen all that footage.
Well, they're
They
going
don't
to be
have-
surprised,
they
Drew.
don't have PhDs in YouTube. Oh, that thing's cold.
Oh, it's cold out.
Let's go.
Come on, Gigi, let's go.
Come on.
Let's go, let's go. Yay! She's just so friendly. She loves everyone. Gigi,
Gigi?
there's not one dog she does not like.
Yeah, well, this is the problem. She's going to do that when she sees a coyote. I can get her in trouble.
Yeah?
Like, she's got to know, that's not a friend. That's what I'm afraid of. I already told her parents.
Yeah.
I'm like, she's such a good dog. She's very, very affectionate. She's, loving towards all the other dogs, and me and Rachel. But I'm afraid the coyote. Hey, shh,
You too.
Haley. Coyote gets in the backyard. She's like, oh,
Yeah.
did God just send me a friend?
She would think it was a friend.
And she's gonna get freaking. Like, that's what I'm afraid of for her. But, yoink. Oh, dino turd.
Yeah.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. Zach! Did you fart, Zach?
Again?
Oh, man, Zach. It's Rocco.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's Rocco.
Hey, Rocco! Oh. Ram.
It's okay, Gigi. Excited boy today. Buddy's the most excited today.
What is it? Oh,
Remy?
Ram. Bailey. Bailey. Bailey.
Catch you later.
We'll see you, bud.
Good looking.
Take care. Whoa.
Shh. Atlas, calm down, buddy. Shh.
No.
You're living my dream, brother.
Have a good day. Hey. 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 Oh, on my phone. Ram, Pace, Sadie, Gigi, Zaki, S'mores.
Baby.
Chopper guy. Dublin. Guinness. No, you're not Guinness. Guinness. Bailey. Buddy.